So hi guys, I am Kayyum, and in this video we will see uh, some of the useful uses of awk command in Linux. So as we know, awk is an programming language, a scripting language inside Linux, and it is very helpful and very good to get some of the tricky uh, task we can perform using the awk command. So let me show you that we are having a file which is file.txt, and it is having this content. So what we will going to do, we will just we want to get the number of lines present inside this file.txt. Okay, so how we will going to do, let me show you that. Awk, or later do cat, then file.txt, then use pipe, and now use awk command. Okay, so here we want a number of lines. Okay, we want number of lines to be printed. For that we will use capital NR. Okay, so this will basically get the number of lines inside this file. So you can see that we are having 18 lines, total of 18 lines inside these files. Okay, so similarly this is for number of lines. Okay, this is for number of lines. Now we will move to number of fields, then and again print, then number of fields. Okay, so here you can see that now we are listed number of fields. So let's see. One, this is field number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Okay, so in this way we can get the use of awk command to get the number of lines and number of fields present inside of a text file or any type of files. Okay, the next will be right now. Suppose we want to print only line number 2. Okay, line number 1. Okay, so this will also can be done using the awk command. You can see that line number 2 has been printed on the screen. Same, we want number of field, we want to print. Okay, we want to print field number 1, so we can also do it using this. Okay, so you can see that we have successfully placed on field number 1. So in this way we can use the awk command. Okay, so hope guys this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.